Today I am revisiting my spring cleaning to-do list and I'm adding some fall seasonal decor to our guest bathroom. Come see I give a utilitarian space, some color and texture, and see how I gave our front porch a little refresh. I've partnered with Nearly Natural to share their beautiful faux floral selection at wholesale prices. Nearly Natural is a place where you can shop online with confidence knowing that their floral collection looks so real they're nearly natural. They have a beautiful selection of seasonal wreaths, swags, and garlands, and you guys know my love for a beautiful orchid arrangement, and I have my eyes set on the red orchids for the upcoming holidays. This peony silk arrangement is the reason why I wanted to add a pop of color to the guest bathroom this season. It has a mixture of textures and colors with corals and plums in various stages of distinct blooms, and is 10 inches high and it comes with a glass base with liquid illusion. Nearly Natural is offering my viewers 20% off using a special code that will be listed down below in my description box. Bath & Body Works was on my to-do list to get some fall scented soaps and wallflowers. They had every scent you can imagine, and their wallflower plugs are so adorable this year, and this owl pedestal is super cute with the rose gold leaves. Before putting out the decor, I'm going to give my bathroom a quick clean using cleaning vinegar. I like to use a half a cup of vinegar and a half a cup of water and spray the sink down, and then I use baby cloths to wipe it down. Cloth diapers make the best cleaning cloths. You guys have seen me use the Clorox urine remover, and this stuff is the best in my opinion. And I like to spray it and leave it for about 5 minutes, and then I go all in with my 2-in-1 steamer and mop. Once a week I like to give the toilets and the floors a good hot bath. This way I'm sure that the germs are gone. I ran out of toilet bombs, and I make mine homemade by the way, so this Lysol toilet bowl cleaner will do for now. I give my toilets a quick clean at least 2 times a week just to keep up with it, and when I'm done with the brush, I like to place it under the lid to let it drip dry. I am using my baseboard buddy to clean my baseboards. I will leave a link down below in case you want it. I also like to use cleaning vinegar on my tile floors, again with part water, part vinegar. And I follow it up with my steam mop. I get tons of questions about it. It's a Shark steamer, and I will also have a link for that down below. And what I love about this mop is that when you place the pad on the mop and after you clean your floors, you don't even have to touch the pad. With the press of a button, it releases. Time to style. I found these plum colored towels from Walmart. The set you see here was under $15. I know you all know I love using white towels, but I wanted something different this year. I love how these towels pick up the colors in the peony arrangement, and that's the beauty of faux arrangements. You can swap them out and use them year after year. I placed a fall candle here on my candle holder I got from Bath & Body Works. It's made of resin with rose gold accent leaves, perfect for the fall season. It was so hard to choose a wallflower, but I wind up getting this gold leaf, and the fragrance is called Leaves. It really smells like fall when you enter the room, and it was only $12. Next to the peony silk arrangement, I added this Bath & Body Works Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte hand soap. Oh, that was a mouthful. My friend had it in her bathroom and I had to have it. My shelving for the most part is the same with the exception of adding some deep plum colored towels and a small pumpkin gourd and a succulent that's from Michael's Stores. Taking care of the outside of your home is just as important as taking care of the inside. With daily thunderstorms, the porch can get a little messy with debris and dirt building up. So every season, I give my porch a quick wash down using bleach and water. I start with the front doors. You can't tell, but it's a little dirty. Trust me, it is. Spots where I can reach, I use a hard brush to get the dirt off the walls, and I just rinse with water. Now that's all clean, I'm going to freshen up the porch. I got 2 planters from the Home Depot. They're simple with the clay detail at the bottom. I didn't want anything bold or flashy because I'm going to be adding 2 of these 5 feet tall cypress spiral trees that are also from Nearly Natural. They're wrapped around a pole, creating that spiral design that will get the attention of everyone. I've always been a fan of topiary trees. I have 2 live trees flanked on either side of my driveway, and this addition to my porch area just adds elegance. The beauty of these trees, you can also use them indoors as well. I purchased a small indoor-outdoor area rug from Christmas Tree Shops and that for 13 bucks because I'm going to be layering my outdoor doormat. Target has a welcome mat that I've been waiting for it to go on sale, and I love this mat because I have double front doors and it's a perfect fit. So layering your rugs is a great opportunity to combine colors and textures to make your entry more interesting. Faux candles are perfect for adding that touch of flickering ambiance. This candelabra is from Hobby Lobby and I've had it for years, and I also have two magnolia wreaths on each door. They are also faux, but they look real with the deep green leaves. And I hope you all are motivated to get started on your holiday decorating for this season. And I will provide a link to Nearly Natural and their discount code, and I want to thank you all for watching.